Hi, it's Mark at FMAV. This is for Tony Pound. Tony, it's Mark. Okay, so basically I've got your laser. I've stripped it down. The cogs were in a real big state, basically just full of crap. You know, all dark and dusted and, you know, just gone a different colour. You know, this unit's probably about 30 years old, probably a little bit longer than that. But I've given it a good clean. I've given the cogs a clean with a little brush, you know, to get all the crap out of the cog. I've checked the micro switch for you. I've put a brand spanking new laser in there for you. You've got a 6-month warranty on that laser and the labour for me to put another one in if this one fails. It shouldn't do. But if it does, you've got 6 months, peace of mind, buddy. You know, it's in reasonable condition. You should have... You know, you should get another 10 years out of this anyway, you know, with the cogs, even though they're old. It's, you know, it looks to me like it could be an old club jukebox, possibly, or a well-worn home one. But yeah, you know, it's in reasonable condition. You should get a few more years out of it yet. So I hope this is okay with you, Tony. I've done everything I can for you, buddy, and it's working. As you can hear in the background, it's playing. Anything you need, you know, just give me a shout. I'll always help you if I can. I'm not a jukebox expert, but lasers, I'm an expert. Okay, so yeah, if you get any problems, so look after yourself, and thank you very much for your business. I really appreciate your business, especially in these hard times at the moment we're all going through. So you look after yourself, stay safe, and hope you and your family have a great Christmas, mate. Cheers, buddy.